Go, go, go. There is $120 worth of stuff in this very package. Dun 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 dun.
Type A.
Got type A.
5x5 cleffers.
You don't know what they are?
These are 4x4s. Cleffers. I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe it's a megaminx.
Is it heavy?
It's not heavy.
Yeah, it's a megaminx. Cube4you burn speed. Right?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Speedcube.
Cube4you brand speedcube.
A red DIY.
Red DIY. A transparent green DIY. Type A. Two 4x4s. A 5x5. A megaminx.
3 sets of stickers.
3 sets of stickers.
In a box.
In a box.
Oh, there's more stuff in here.
What else is in there? More stickers.
There's more stickers. What else? 4 sets of stickers.
That's it.
That's
It's empty now.